all doing? Hope we're doing great. Yes, this morning I want to carry us along on this vlog. I'm going to a place where I can get one of the main ingredients we use to cook our traditional meal. Sometime last year, somebody took us to the place where they kill goats. I call it a goat slaughterhouse.
A ranch.
A ranch or abattoir for goat. What do I call it? So getting there, I saw something like that vegetable I'm talking about, and we call it Achara. So I decided to do an adventure on it. So I said, let me go see. This thing looks like Achara. So I went and harvested it, and actually it was Achara. I use it too. And that is one of my husband's best soup. So I harvested it, come process it, use it to cook our meal, and it tastes the same thing as the one we used to cook in Nigeria. And it's been quite some time. I just decided, okay, let me go check out whether I can still get that Achara. So that is the journey I'm embarking on right now. I want to carry you along, and I have the mindset that if I'm able to harvest it, I'm gonna prepare my husband's delicious meal for him. With this soup, he can eat 3 times in a day. Yeah, darling, say hi to our people.
Hi guys. Yes, that's my favorite soup, and favorite to most men from our place. I welcome you all. I pray that the Lord will continue to be with us as we go. Just keep tuned up. Don't touch the dial. We are going to see many things as we go, as we're back on this journey.
Yeah. There's this saying that in our relationship with God, we always note that when God wants to answer us our prayer, that distance is not a barrier. And I want to tell us right away that where we are going now is very far from where we are living. More than if we take the normal route, we are going to take more than 40 minutes to get there. But we are taking a fast lane where we are going to pay toll fees, and it will take us like 20 minutes. And that is to tell you that when you desire something, when you want something, distance or circumstances surrounding you cannot stop you. Yeah, some people will say, how can you come from Africa to Obodo, Oyibo? Give Achara. I know you start to go harvest Achara. That is what they trained us with. I knew how to harvest Achara right from my adolescent age. So it's in me. It's not something difficult for me to do here because I come from Africa to Obodo Oyibo, and Obodo Oyibo people, they don't eat Achara. And I will say to her with Achara, when I see it there is somewhere I can get it even for free without paying for it, I have to go for it. Well, it doesn't take anything away from me. Yeah, that is me. So if I'm let me go and practice it, okay? Yeah, family, this is the goat that my husband chose to buy. They are weighing it at this point. After here, they're gonna kill it. And now they're gonna burn it. This is the method that we're going to use to clean it. They burn the skin first, wash it, then start cutting it in smaller pieces. Okay. I family, this is what we call Achara vegetable. I don't know the English name, to be sincere with you. We'll be eating it for ages. So I'm gonna start harvesting it now. Oh my god, it seems this place is swampy. Well, let me try and see if I can harvest something. If they pursue me out, okay, good. I will stop. Okay? Vegetable in your place, please let me know in the comment section.
Huh?
Since we are doing sandblasting around this place, you can see this dust all over. That is the whitish thing you see. I'm going to wash it very well. And I think that is the ash that is even supporting the Achara to grow very well. Because when we find it in our place, we used to pour a lot of ash so to enable it to grow very well.
As a form of manure.
As a form of manure. So I believe this sandblasting ash is also supporting it to grow very well. That's why it's healthy. If it's in my place, they will say that this site has overgrown. This is one that I saw. If it's in my place, they will use and go for the younger ones. Yeah. Those younger ones are soft and more tender than the ones that are well grown. The family is allowed to grow this hand. Yes. So far, what I've gathered, but I'm still gonna gather more. So